Welcome to MPTI Orlando. My name is Chris Williams, Director of Education. Today we're looking at a little kettlebell complex. The kettlebell, as you can see here, Zach, if you pick the kettlebell up, is a versatile piece of equipment, and there's a multitude of things that you can do. So today we're going to veer away from just doing single exercises. We're going to put a sequence together that you can try at home. And obviously if your skill set is not at this particular level or you're getting there, then you can introduce one exercise at a time until you do the same sequence that Zach's going to perform for you today. This particular kettlebell sequence is going to involve both the kettlebell and the individual going above and below, above and below, as you will see. The first thing we're going to do is a single arm deadlift to get the kettlebell up to the waist. And then from the waist we're going to do a clean to get the kettlebell to the shoulder. And now we're going to get the kettlebell overhead, so we're going to perform a snatch. Nice job. From here we're now going to transition the body to the ground. So what we're going to do is a reverse Turkish Get Up. So we're going to step back with the left, externally rotate, arm down, looking at the kettlebell, arm straight, completely locked. Follow through, low sweep, down on the elbow and down on your back. Good. Roll to the side, and now he's going to do a Turkish Get Up from the bottom. Here we go. In your own time, on the elbow, straight arm, keep it nice and straight, low sweep, internally rotate the knee and stand up. And then from here we're going to transition the kettlebell back down, so we're going to do a snatch. Good. Now we're going to come back through the groin and do a clean, and then we're going to reverse deadlift to the ground. Well, and we're going to change over hands. So that sequence will be one repetition, and as you can clearly see, it's quite a complicated one. It gets the body moving, it gets the kettlebell moving. It's very, very demanding. So from a metabolic standpoint, in terms of expending calories, 5 or 6 in a row really would get your heart rate up and would get the job done. But as you can clearly see, it is a complicated and complex move. So my advice would be this: from a teaching standpoint, teach your client first how to do a single arm deadlift. So single arm deadlift, and it gets it from the ground to the waist. And once you've perfected that move, then we can start to do, indeed, a clean. And for a clean, we're going to hip hinge, and we're going to catch the bar over here. So let's do a clean. And as you can clearly see, the kettlebell is rotating around the hand. It doesn't come up and over. So we can have another demonstration from here and again. So if we can get you hip hinging more and up. Better, okay? Ideally, the wrist will be nice and straight. No, wrist nice and straight. Good. So from here, we're now going to go and we're going to do, indeed, a snatch down between the groin and straight overhead, punching or pushing the elbow up straight as the weight goes overhead. Nice job. And again, nice and steady. Okay. And trying to avoid any banging of the wrists. Once you've perfected those three moves, then you can start to just work on the Turkish Get Up. So if I can ask you to reverse deadlift that to the ground. And when we teach the Turkish Get Up, we don't use any dumbbells or kettlebells at all. So I can get you to lie down on the ground for me, Zach. Thank you. And this is the sequence by which we teach. Okay? So we've got this leg bent, this leg slightly out to the side, this arm out to the side with the palm down at about 45 degrees. The scapulas and the head are well down on the ground. We're going to retrieve the kettlebell, and let's just say we've already got the kettlebell in this position here. Okay. We're going to get a kind of kinesthetic cue. So I'm going to ask you to tap your foot. And as you push that foot into the ground, you're going to roll up and over onto your left elbow.
Okay, I just downloaded 741 pictures of
Nice. From there, we're now going to transition up into the hand to a straight arm. Good. Look at the kettlebell, so we want a nice straight line. From there, we're going to do a low sweep through with the left leg, so it goes under him. It's still externally rotating. Good. You're looking up here. Now we're going to lift up the left hand off the ground. We're going to internally rotate the knee, and now we're ready to stand. And step 2. Okay, so you perfected that. So those 3 moves, along with this move, will give you the sequence that we just performed.
Thanks for following MPTI Florida. I'm Pat Sherman. Just want to let you know we appreciate you guys liking us, following us, and friending us. Continue to watch our YouTube channel. We're going to try to do a really good job of giving you as much information about the fitness industry as possible this year. If you're looking to become a personal trainer, you're excited about helping other people become healthy, give us a call, 407-772-0057. That's 407-772-0057. Give us a call, come on in, tour, work out for free anytime. Thanks again.